let's continue discussing reading strategies. And now we will look at these strategies in the light of second language research, second language acquisition research. To what extent second language acquisition research actually supports the use of these strategies in a second language classroom. So what's the evidence? What's the research which supports the use of these strategies in second language classroom? So there is a strong mainstream research findings in second language. For example, as you can see here, Barnett, Kern, and Oxford. These writers, and among others, they support that in order to develop effective, proficient, in order to make readers proficient in second language, especially English, we need to develop strategies. And as I have discussed in the previous module, there are largely 4 to 5 strategies out there: metacognitive, cognitive, affective, and social strategies. So the use of these strategies actually help improve the comprehension level of the students. It helps improve their skills of word level recognition, their sentence level recognition. So it not only improves their making meaning pursuit, but also it instills self-confidence in them. And this is how it can help make them skillful second language learners, good readers, like in other words, speedy readers. Okay. So Carl suggests, as I said in the beginning, that the purpose of this module is to see how second language acquisition supports the use of these strategies in second language classroom. Carroll suggests that it's worth reading here. As you can see, the strategy reading is prime characteristic of expert readers. Now the point is, we want you to make your students expert readers, proficient readers. They cannot become proficient readers until they have a proper knowledge of strategies: metacognitive, cognitive, social, and affective. Because it's woven into the fabric of reading for meaning. So in order to make the meaning from a text, we need to develop strategies. Strategies enhance attention. Yes, this is a good point. If they are strategic readers, they will be in a better position to take notice of the things which they may not have noticed otherwise. I mean, in less strategic reader, it helps improve the memory, communication, and learning, and it also allows them to elaborate, organize, and evaluate information. So this is how the use of strategies in second language reading helps promote organization and elaboration or evaluation of the information gathered from a text. So it develops an awareness how to interact with the text, how to interact with the main agenda of the author, and gather the main meaning of a text.